Here comes the gravel truck, right on time. This is a tough one. There's power and there's coax and telephone that run through here.
Okay.
There's also a water line there.
Well, this is on you.
Yeah. Is it possible to go multiple times from at an angle and not go in there?
Just use the aisles.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can do that.
Okay. That might be safest for everything.
Okay. I have a high lift gate, and when I get in position, you stand behind me and you can see how much, you tell me how much material you want.
Okay. We're going to have them dump it in series of piles rather than drive through it. I think it's safer that way. That's going to work. Keep coming. A little bit more. That's good. All right. Oh, that's good. Okay. This is gonna work. A little bit left, we can put on the RV driveway. Perfect. Well, good job. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice morning to spread gravel. Looks good. Thank you much, man. Slightly different color, I think, from the existing Basalt. And they warned me about that, but I think it looks great. Right, Shadow? Now the fun part, spreading the gravel. This is the fun part, although it's a lot of exercise.
You happy with the gravel size?
I'm very happy with it. How about you?
And the color's good too.
Diane and I spread the gravel, 10 yards of it, in just a few hours. Now I'm going to sweep it off the street and wet it down. That'll help settle the dust and maybe establish a firmer surface. Later, I'll drive back and forth over the gravel with the car. Wet her down, settle down the dust.
Not bad.
No, it's working. I think a few more passes and we're ready to go. Well, multiple passes in the Subaru packed it down pretty good. The final results, a week later after several rainfalls and compacting the gravel more with our vehicles. We are very pleased with the results.